Howdy, cowpokes. Are you sick of weak cactus? Do you wish you could have cactus in Siberian winter, or even in nuclear winter? Then you're in luck, little doggy. Our cactus are made in special soil with the best humane growth vitamins, so they have the sharpest, teeth. These cactus practically take care of themselves. It's almost like a little man lives inside. But do not look inside for a little man. Never look inside for a little man. We have bulk rates too. Our cactus are perfect for weddings, birthdays, funerals, theme parks, funerals, and more. So mosey on down on Cowboy Ivan Cactus Patch and pick a cactus before they pick you.
Combat your dental hygiene in a stealthy way with new Tripwire Floss for teens. Yeah! Blast away plaque buildup and detonate dental debris with Tripwire Floss's eagle-eyed persuasion for teens. Yeah! Landmine cavities be dental dimmed. Your new smile will go boom! Tripwire Floss will blow your mom and dad away. Yeah! Trip, 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 Tripwire. Trip, Tripwire. For your mouth the American way. When you floss with this kind of stuff, you blow your friends and parents away. Wow! Tripwire Floss is for small adults under 18. Yeah!
Добрый вечер. Звуки, которые мы слышим сегодня, являются рентгеновскими лучами. Они исходят от PRDPL-158 и доносятся к нам из галактики, находящейся между Месьер-81 и Самбреро, 12 миллионах световых лет от Земли. Данные переведены в аудиопульсации Юрием Горьким из Роскосмоса.
Wanna be a winner? Then give yourself an edge over your enemies with Slow Pro anti-energy substance.
Don't drink it, throw it. It's poison, poison.
Some people want a level playing field. Other people would rather use poison.
Don't drink it, throw it. It's poison, silly. Poison.
Slow Crow anti-energy substance replenishes your opponents with the necessary toxins they need in order for you to win.
This message is from Mort. It's a shovel repair tech again, and I'm calling about these bats. I don't know if you know this or not, but you got a lot of bats in your shovel, and well, we're not totally equipped to deal with all the bats. Normally, we don't get shovels riddled with bats like this in a shop. So that's gonna take some more time. I mean, what are you doing with this thing? One bat I can understand, but a whole swarm or whatever it's called, it don't seem right. We can't keep fixing this thing if you're gonna bring it in full of bats like this.
Laissez votre passé derrière vous. Ils arrêteront de vous appeler petit et maintenant Daryl. Laissez la marée haute vous emporter vers votre avenir. Plus qu'un baril, plus qu'un robot. Abandonnez tout derrière vous et ne portez que votre peau. Pour femmes, pour hommes et pour robots.
A new toy for the whole family to fear. Be explosive. Devastate the terrain. With the new remote control, My Little Mine. Leave the whole town in an anxious mess because only you control when this thing will blow. It'll feel like the real thing. Because it is.
We'll continue this episode of Space Junk after the break. Today's episode is sponsored by Meteor On Demand. Meteor On Demand is the only personal meteor delivery service that brings a meteor straight to your door. You don't have to have a podcast to appreciate the convenience of a good delivery service. That's why I'm such a fan of Meteor On Demand. They take the confusion out of meteor delivery so you don't have to fuss with ancient prophecies or star charts to get what you want when you want it. Simply open up the Meteor On Demand app and a personal meteor will drop into your general vicinity. It's that easy. My partner loves Meteor On Demand's gift delivery feature too. Dropping a meteor on someone is way more personal and memorable than flowers. And for a limited time, podcast listeners get free delivery on their first meteor order with the code SEEYOURCRATER. And now, back to our show.